Hey guys, today I'll show you how to check your automation and integration usage in Monday.com. First, go to any board and click the Automate or Integrate button in the top right. That opens the Board Automation Center. Next, in that center, switch to the Manage tab. Then click Account Usage. This takes you to a page showing how many actions you have used this month for both automations and integrations. On the account usage page, you'll see your total and remaining actions for the billing period, breakdown by board, and which boards use the most, and top automations or integrations by action usage. If some automation recipes are using too many actions, disable or delete non-critical ones to save your quota. After pruning, your used actions number should go down. If you hit your action cap for the month, automations or integrations may stop running until the monthly allowance resets. Consider upgrading your plan or consolidating workflows if this happens. And that's how you track and manage automation and integration usage in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.